Hello out there, welcome all of you to the channel. It's summer here and it's nice and great warm. The sunflowers, as you see, grow well, and it's much soon be ready for plant out. I hope we got a little rain today, but we really not got. I can see the black cloud is away again, and I'm back here with good movies, with the nice thumbnails. I have a crisis. The last 1 month, my old iPhone totally broke down, and I was really screwed up, fucked up, cause that was my good partner when I make a video too. But now I have fixed the problem. Now I'm back on track here again. Today I think about this strange world we live in, because so much happened here, and all what's happened here, it's not the good stuff. I really wonder what's happened out in the world, and what's happened inside the heads on those people who acting back in the world, and think they are kings or God or whatever they think about themselves. I really wonder. I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know how it will end. Now I only wish from here I can pack my suitcase and travel away. Only one destination I want to go to, and stay there and have a good dive there. I really look forward for that someday, and I hope it be soon. So if you will do me a big favor, give likes to the video. I really need it, and so share the video with your friends so many as possible see the video. Maybe better, I don't think so much, and all the shut up here, and take the history like the tree monkey. Maybe that's the best idea I can do to now. I'll be back tomorrow, so see you much soon in the next video, and have a great Saturday out there. See you again Sunday. Bye for now.